Have you seen AMD's chart lately? This GPU and gaming computer manufacturing beast has rallied approximately 77% in 2025. Could it continue its rally, or a huge correction is incoming? I'm SK, and today at Neural Net Worth, we are diving deep into the technicals with moving averages, RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands. By the end, you'll know exactly what the charts are screaming. Without further ado, let's dive right in. AMD produces a wide range of high-performance computing products, including Ryzen processors for PCs and gaming, CPUs for data centers, Radeon GPUs for graphics, Instant accelerators for AI HPC, and more. AMD closed at $214 on Jan 6th, up from a recent low of $200. But numbers alone don't tell the story. Let's unpack the indicators one by one. Starting with the simple moving averages, the 50-day moving average is sitting at about $227, while the 200-day moving average is at $164. Right now, the price is below the 50-day moving average and above the 200-day moving average, signaling negative momentum with bullish trend, often looked at as a pause or consolidation in a strong uptrend. With the golden cross in July, where the short-term average crosses above the long-term average for bull runs, the stock ran from $155 to the highs of $265 before dropping to its recent support at $200. If AMD crosses above the 50-day moving average again, watch for a momentum shift. That's your buy signal for a potential big move upwards. Next up is the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, which measures the speed and magnitude of a stock's recent price changes to detect overbought and oversold conditions. It's just below 48, which is the neutral level, neither overbought nor oversold. It becomes harder to predict the stock's move without looking at other indicators when RSI is in the neutral zone. Keep an eye out. If RSI gets closer to either 30 or 70, it would be your call to action, depending on whether it's overbought or oversold. Now, let's talk about MACD. The moving average convergence divergence tracks momentum, and currently the MACD line is at a negative 0.83 above the signal line at negative 2.1 on the negative terminal, indicating a bullish momentum within a larger bearish trend. With a recent crossover of MACD line above the signal line, both are moving closer to the zero line, which signals a possible reversal to the positive side soon. This is the time when you just wait for indicators to give clear signals. Before we move on to Bollinger Bands, please like and subscribe if this video is adding value. Now, Bollinger Bands, which is basically a statistical tool measuring standard deviation from a certain moving price average, typically a 20-day moving average. If the stock price gets closer to either the higher or the lower band, expect a reversal, as we have seen throughout November. Currently, the price is in the neutral zone. Expect a move to the other side if the price gets closer to any of the bands. The bands expand in high volatility like we saw in October, and it gets harder and less reliable to use Bollinger Bands because wider bands create more noise, making it harder to tell if a price touching a band means a reversal or just normal extreme movement. The bands seem to be tightening again, but the signals are not clear. Waiting for a consolidation here would be the right thing to do. It's always better to combine a couple of indicators to get clear signals. For example, in early November, the bearish crossover of MACD's signal line over MACD line coupled with Bollinger Bands signaling overbuying could have given you great entries for a short position or signal to take profits. In general, the stock is around its recent support at $200, with most indicators giving unclear signals. It is wise to wait and see if it holds its support at $200 or not. If the support breaks, the stock will probably fall to its deeper support levels at $180, and then the indicators will probably give clear signals for an entry. Remember, trading is all about reacting to price movements rather than predicting it. What do you think? Are you buying, selling, or holding AMD? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Please like if this helped and subscribe for more tech analysis that beats the market. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and invest wisely.